how to change wallpaper in laptop and PC in Windows 11. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you just have to simply right click on your mouse and click on the personalize section from here, and then you can see the background option from here. You just have to click on the background, and as you can see, there are all the images like default images. You can choose and change your background. As you can see, if we click on here, it will change it like this one, and if you click on here, it will change it like that one, and it will be changed to this one. And you can also add or select any custom images, like if you select this one and choose picture, and you can see this one is added here, and you can also get back to the default one if you are clicking on here. So you can also go to the Windows section from here, then settings, then personalization sections, then go to the background, and you can just come right up to the wallpaper section like this one. So that's all for this video. See you on the next one, guys.